Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. We're introduced today to the AI benchmark comparison between the Realme GT versus the OnePlus Nord 2 device. The Realme GT has got the Snapdragon 888 processor, and whereas the OnePlus Nord 2 has got the Dimensity 1200 AI chipset. And this is a question which has been requested by one of my membership subscriber. So recently I started to do the videos only based on the membership who are actually subscribed to my channel. So only those requests I am trying to take nowadays because of very busy schedule. So this is a request which has been asked by one of my membership subscribers. So I thought of making a video right now on this particular topic. So in case if you're interested, let me know in the comment section below, friends, what are other videos you want me to upload on this both phones. So let's start the AI test at same time between both phones. Let's see how much difference can it be there between the AI score between the both phones. And this is my first time doing this kind of testing on the Realme GT as well with the Snapdragon 888 processor. I just want to see whether the Snapdragon 888 processor is kind of powerful enough in the AI segment or not. So that is what I meant. And let's see, friends, in this application, so this will be able to show the couple of images, and phone should be able to recognize the images faster. So that is how it will be calculated in terms of the recognizing speeds. So how much difference can it be there between the Snapdragon 888 processor versus Dimensity 1200 AI chipset? Right now in the below you will be able to see the difference as well, how much it is, the milliseconds, the time, how much it's taking, comparing both phones. I think the Realme GT is a little bit kind of slow at this moment because the OnePlus Nord 2 did reach to the second stage. So there will be 14 stages, as you can see, 14 different stages at this moment. So again I'll be back after some time, then we can actually compare more details what is happening with the scores as well. So with this benchmark you should not be worried about the temperatures, so temperatures won't increase while doing this kind of benchmark. So again I'll be back after some time. As you can see, friends, finally we got the score about AI benchmark score. It was about 68 score in this phone in the Realme GT with the Snapdragon 888 processor. So this is something to do with the Snapdragon process only, and usually the MediaTek processors are getting really high scores. As you can see, when you compare with the Snapdragon process, the MediaTek processor with the Dimensity 1200 159, as you can see, friends, a huge difference in terms of the AI score. So this is not the problem with Realme GT. So this is the same problem with the Snapdragon 870, Snapdragon 865, Snapdragon 855 plus, everything. But in the Dimensity processors, Dimensity 1200 and 1000 plus, these two processors were able to get really good scores in terms of the AI benchmark score. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. And in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. So meanwhile, signing off. Bye.